No, you can flip it the other way. Yo guys. Alright, so we're about to put the Plenum spacer in. With my brother. Earl? Yeah, you guys met him before. And right now we're driving in one of my boys' house. We're gonna go install the Plenum spacer. Also, I'm installing the oil catch can, but we're gonna make 2 separate videos, obviously.
Yes, sir.
But we're basically, well, I guess I'm recording now so we can like see the difference and feel the difference beforehand, so you get, you know, same day action type thing. So let's see. Let me just slow down. So that was second. So because I always use second gear. Third gear is for me. But yeah, that was just one little pull. Yeah, we manual boys for all the new people that have seen my channel. We're about to do a full bolt on. I just have my test pipes coming and the MREV 2 lower plenum coming. And yeah, I'm not gonna buy a throttle body spacer though. I'm gonna buy the throttle body, the 80 mil, the corded. So we will have a corded lower plenum. So that should be cool. And we're gonna install, hopefully they come. I don't know when they're gonna come, but we're gonna install them in this cold weather so we can get this John to shoot flames and do a real life drive-by, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys when we get there. I got one. Yo boys, we got this. We got the 10. Wait, what? Oh, I'm about to say, it doesn't. I thought it didn't fit. You think the car's like not hot? So here's a trick, guys. You actually don't have to take off the plenum spacer. You can just take these off actually. So let me just, where are we gonna start? Where are we gonna start? We are going to start, damn, this is a little hot. We're gonna start here. Start in the front. The 10? Really? But just make sure. Here we go. Oh!
No way.
No fucking way.
What'd you do? You broke it?
Bro, I was literally doing it slow.
Where is it? Where were you taking it out at?
We're just right there.
No fucking way.
I'm saying?
No.
Bro, it was just one. It's not gonna fuck it up. Just gotta get another one. That's us.
Bro, I was literally going slow just so I wouldn't do that. You saw how slow I was going. Is it because it's hot?
It shouldn't be.
Like,
It's not that hot. Damn, bro, you warped it.
I have a bolt extractor kit on me, so I'll remove it right now.
The nail's not even that hot either. It is a little bit. That could have been a piece. That's not even that hot, bro. Yeah.
I want to kill myself.
That's annoying as fuck.
Bro, I cannot put... Bro, I'm so glad I have an extractor kit.
You broke your cat?
Nah, I just never had it. This is clutch.
I've never had one of those.
Damn, that's what I need.
I never had one of those. I need one of them.
That's literally what I
How
needed.
many bolts I fucking broke? It works too. That
Yeah.
shit really comes out.
I usually just drill it. And it just comes out. That's what I do.
Gosh, love that.
That's what I fucking do.
Weird way.
I would do smaller. Smaller the better. For real, for real.
Oh, that's even the wrong drill bit. One of these. Ugh. That is so gay.
That is fucking stupid as shit.
Of all things that fucking has.
Honestly, bro, that's why I was talking about like replacing bolts and shit.
Do you think I should have gotten a replacement? Oh, I have replacement bolts.
Where?
In the
In the kit?
yeah.
Perfect.
We'll be right back.
Bolt.
Ah, fuck you.
What?
The fact that I broke those and he just straight up just took them off clean.
That's why everyone calls me to rebuild their fucking motors. Because if I break a bolt, it's because I got mad and actually snapped it. Well, then.
And they're new. Look at it. And I still broke it.
That's a bad job. New bolts are not easy to break either. Check engine light right on.
Well, yeah. Well, that's because I blew my cats, remember?
You gotta let it warm up now. Shit.
Yeah.
Nigga, every time I go close.
What's up, guys? I just wanted to say sorry I somehow lost a couple clips. I didn't realize until a week later or so, and at that point I already installed another part on my car. My next video is the MREV2 install, but just saying, I definitely did feel the plenum spacer do a lot to the car, especially in the butt dyno, and you guys will see in the next couple videos of how much power I actually made on the dyno. I was pretty happy with it actually. So, and apparently at the tuners, it was the fastest NA that's come in base power. So just to give you an idea of how much I made. But yeah, the plenum spacer really worked. I felt it a tiny bit, not too crazy, but definitely my second gear felt a lot better. Yeah, and guys, stay tuned. I'll have a couple some videos coming up. I have I got Burke test pipes coming. Those are put in. Couldn't get them off myself, but you guys will see in later videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I don't have any video clips, but remember guys, grind till you shine. Peace out.